So, planning my dream business. So, my planned business is, the proposed business is a milk tea shop that offers freshly made milk teas, fruit teas, and snacks. It will cater to students, young professionals, and families who are looking for affordable yet high-quality drinks. The shop's goal is to provide a cozy with welcoming environment where people can relax, study, or bond with friends while enjoying their favorite beverages. To operate smoothly, the business will utilize the 5 M's of management. For manpower, the shop will employ baristas, a cashier, a manager, and crew members to prepare drinks, serve customers, and manage daily operations. And for the money or capital will allocated for rent, renovation, equipment, ingredients, salary, and marketing. The business will also need machines such as blenders, tea brewers, sealing machines, refrigerators, and POS system. And for materials, the essential includes tea leaves, milk, sugar, flavorings, cups, straws, napkins, and packaging. And lastly, methods. Methods will consist of standardized recipes, operating procedures, customer service guidelines, and marketing strategies. So in terms of the business environment, several factors will play a role in its success. For the microenvironment, the main customers will be students, young adults, and working professionals, while suppliers will provide the tea leaves, milk, sugar, packaging materials. And the competitors will include other milk tea shops and cafes in the area. The performance of employees such as baristas and staff will directly affect the customer satisfaction, while the owners and the management will be in charge at decision-making and quality control. For the macro environment, the business must consider the economic situation, including consumer spending power and raw material costs, as well as technological factors like online ordering apps, social media marketing, and digital payments. Political and legal requirements such as food safety standards, permits, and taxes must also be followed. The socio-cultural factor is favorable since milk tea remains popular among Filipinos, while environmental consideration encourage the use of eco-friendly packaging. Looking at the demographic environment, the target market will consist of people aged 15 to 35 years old, both male and female, belonging to middle and upper middle income groups, with education levels ranging from high school to college. These consumers are most tech-savvy and active on social media. For the domestic environment, the shop will operate in the Philippines, where the milk tea demand continues to grow. The business must source affordable local ingredients, comply with national food safety laws, and adapt to Filipino taste preferences, such as sweeter blends, and additionally, local events and festivals can be used as opportunity for promotions. As for the form of the business organization, the milk tea shop will be established as partnership, with the possibility of expanding into small corporation in the future. This structure is chosen because a partnership allows pooling of capital, resources, and skills from two or more individuals. It is also enables sharing of risk and responsibilities while maintaining flexibility in decision making. Compared to a sole proprietorship, it is more stable, and compared to a corporation, it is easier to manage at the start. This makes partnership the most practical option for launching the business.